Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I'm going to show you how to do this super easy makeup look with the Honey Naked palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get to it. And today I'm using the Naked Honey palette from Urban Decay. I'm going to start using the Skin Iceland Hydro Cooling Gels. They're amazing to depuff, also helps with fallout, and also helps to keep the makeup just in the right spot. I'll start with the color Flyby. I put it all over the lid to cancel the redness, and this has a very nice sheen to it as well. Now I use the color Keeper, and I start really subtle, start shaping the eye in the inner corner, and that's what I love the eye patch for. It really helps to give a nice shape. And I start adding a little more. It's a pigmented color, so I suggest start slowly. Now let's use Sting. And the same location, just a little below. Also start slowly in windshield wiper motion, and I also pat it in the inner corner of the eye as well as in the outer corner to give a little bit of a halo effect. I'll put another color in the middle. Just pat it in, and I just blend it all to a little bit. Now I add the color Queen in the same spot that you add the color Sting, in the inner corner and outer corner, and leave the middle empty. Now let's add the color Golden to the middle of the eye. This gives a very good dimension to the look. With a clean brush, just blend it all together, and there's so much fallout, so it really helps. Oh my god, I made such a mess. Now let's add Flyby again, just to blend the hard edge. I'm going to add a little bit of the Keeper again, just to tie the whole look up. I'm going to do my other eye and the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. I also added the Urban Decay eye gel in Golden into my waterline. So this is the final look after I put my makeup, mascara, and I'm in love with this palette. I really feel like all these colors, you can do so many different looks, and I haven't been able to put it down. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. And this is something you can use for special occasions or just to go to the supermarket. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look today, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Good night. Good night, Mama. Good night.